Okay guys, welcome back. This is going to be quite a fun set of episodes because if you can see behind me, this is a stripped out Clio. It's Clio Sport. The whole point is that we're taking on a challenge given to us by a friend. He's really into cars as well. He has this car and it's fun. So yeah, the whole point of this challenge is we have 30 days to take this car, which you'll agree very shortly is in a bit of a state, so all hands on deck to try and pull this back through. We need to get this to a UK street legal race event. It's called 10 of the Best. Loads of guys go to who enjoy the performance side of modified cars, and we're going to pretty much drag race it. It's going to be pretty fun. So what we're going to do is I'm going to try and list as many things off as I possibly can. Probably leave them down here somewhere, I reckon. You guys are going to come along with us on this journey to try and make this into a complete solid race car. Let's start with the list.
Clio 172.
Ice back lettuce. 1, we need to do a new clutch. 2, seat frames. 3, install the seats. 4, we're going to do a battery relocation. 5, paint inside. 6, carbon fibre door card. Sexy. Perspex windows, roll cage, harnesses, dashboard, boss on the wheel, lead nipple on caliper, carbon bumper trims, toe strap, carbon brake ducts, aerial blank, really. Then the big thing is that we need to get it to an MOT, because like I said earlier, this is a UK street legal event. These literally have to be good enough for the UK roads. They bring them and then they run them. That's quite a big list if you think we've got 30 days, and already Jamie's already spent maybe about 3 days working on what we've currently got right now. Okay, so if you want to know what we've already done, this side, pulled the interior, fitted coilovers, a complete K-Tech racing exhaust, K-Tech induction kit, front anti-roll bars, 172 cup alternator conversion, fitted a carbon bonnet. Okay, so I guess you can all... My god, that bird is loud. I think it's saying...
No, you're not going to know to do this, it's impossible, it's only 30 days!
I say no to the haters. So I guess you guys can agree that's quite an ambitious list. There is a lot to do. I believe we can still pull it off. So yeah, and another good thing is obviously if we get this completed, we're going to be taking the car to the show, which is 10 of the Best. You'll get to see the sort of footage of the car getting raced, and you'll see if we manage to do it properly. I mean, hopefully it won't blow up and the engine will stay intact. Or failing that, you'll see us completely mess something up and we won't arrive, and it'll be a very sad day and we'll both think, why are we doing this? But the truth is we're going to probably do it. It's going to go. So it's going to be fun. So what I'm going to do now is flip the camera around. We're going to check out the car, give you a little bit of a mini feature sort of look at it so you can see how cruddy it actually is, because it is pretty shit. But potential. And that's what my parents always told me. They said, don't judge a book by its cover, just don't read the book. So yeah, let's just flip it around, check out the car, and then you guys can see where we're at. Okay. Guys, so that's the first look at the Project Clio, Sport Clio, Race Clio, whatever the hell you guys want to call it, but it's going to be epic. As you can see from the video, it's in a sorry state for itself. I mean, there's a lot of work to do. Is it doable? Yes. Is it doable in 30 days at a push? Will it make the race day? I'd like to think so. Pretty much we need to crack on. We've got a few other things we're going to try and do tonight. We're going to film it, and like I said, we're going to always keep you guys updated. This will be in parts, so I'm reckoning it's going to be about a 5-part series. And then we're going to end up with a feature video from 10 of the Best, where you guys get to see this in action and sort of see the times and stuff that Jamie could pull off in this thing. So I'm going to try and start this. I think there's no fuel left. But this sounds pretty cool. It's out of fuel. So as always guys, thank you so much again for watching. I hope you're going to enjoy this playlist. I personally think it's going to be a really cool chuck into the mix to make things a little bit more different. A quick little update about the 370. The insurance and everything's gone through. We're currently fixing the wheel. The car, I'm just choosing the colour for the paint. It's going to be a completely different colour to what it currently is. it's going to look pretty sick. So yeah, we're going to put this away now, crack on with working it. Make sure to subscribe and like the video if you like it. Hit the subscribe button if that's something that you're into. I really would appreciate it if you do. We're currently almost at 2,000 subscribers, which is a huge milestone for us. We never thought we'd actually reach that or be able to do it. Click on some more videos if you want to see more of my beautiful face or my sexy voice.
All the cars.
Yeah, all the cars. Thank you so much again for watching. See you next time. From the 10 of the best, so from our point of view anyway, I'm